Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are doing good at your homes. Today I am here to teach you the subject of Computer Science, Class 2, Unit 1, Computers Around Us. Topic: Uses of Computer. Today's topic: Uses of Computer at different places. Lofty goal. In this lesson, you will learn about the uses of computers in different places. Let's start today's lesson. Mighty, I have seen computers being used at different places. What do people do with it? Good question. Nowadays, people are using computer for different purposes. Let's see what are the different uses of a computer. First of all, we are going to discuss about the uses of computers at homes. We use computers at homes for different purposes, like for making drawings, for sending and receiving emails, for making the home budget, and for listening to music. Uses of computers at railway stations. Railways use computers for booking tickets and for reservation. They also use them to maintain train or flight timings, to check if seats are available, to issue tickets or book seats. Uses of computers in film industry. Animation films are produced with the help of computers. Computers are helpful in making movies in many ways, such as making cartoon films, composing music, recording voice, editing movies. Uses of computers in banks. We use banks to keep our money safe. The bank uses a computer to maintain accounts, to print bank statements or passbooks of account holders. Uses of computers in hospitals. Computers are used in hospitals to diagnose and cure patients. They are also used in eye testing, in surgeries, and in preparing medical and pathological reports. Uses of computers at schools. Computers serve both school staff and students in their work. Schools use computers to solve math sums quickly, to draw pictures, to prepare report cards, to make timetables, to teach math, science, and other subjects. Uses of computers in offices. Computers are used in offices to create files, to make designs of projects, to send and receive messages, to make office work easy. Uses of computers at shops. Computers are used in shops to calculate and make bills quickly without making mistakes, to find out the price of goods, To keep sale purchase records. Answer the questions. Here are some multiple choice questions for you students. Number 1 is, a computer is used at a shop for A. Making art, B. Generating bills, C. Writing poems. Number 2 is, a computer is used at schools to A. Drink water, B. Solve sums, C. Pay bill. Number 3, in offices, a computer is used to A. Book tickets, B. Send emails, C. Make report cards. Number 4, at a railway station, a computer is used for A. Watching movie, B. Booking tickets, C. Drawing picture. Number 5, in hospitals, computers are used to A. Eye test, B. Watch movies, C. Book tickets. You have to do all this in your notebooks. Thank you.